up, I've had a pretty cool trip so far. I've been through Vermont and New Hampshire, 2 awesome states, and I avoided bad ones like Massachusetts and Connecticut. I wonder where I'm heading next. Fuck! It's Maine. I'd rather go to Connecticut. This is gonna suck. Hopefully no demon-possessed clowns in the sewers are gonna come and kidnap me. Exit dive.
If he sings again, he shall have it. And like, person,
yeah.
Yeah, it's like, oh, nice song, Bert. A little pitchy though, bro.
Yeah, yeah. I feel like you're burying the lead a bit here.
Red light, Ron.
Then he called his daughter and children.
Was that straight from right turn lane? I think it was. Really? What? Keep going. There's like a line of cars behind me. What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Okay, do the deed. Get on camera. Come on. There you go. Pennsylvania. Considering that this is the first time ever in my life I've been to this intersection, and yet I could figure out how it works, and yet you couldn't, really says something. Lyman! Lyman! Oh no! I'm in Lyman! Alright, if you know, you know.
It's clear and easy, and you need to do it. Don't answer questions. That's another thing you gotta do.
I have a feeling that you're about to screw up when the light changes. I think you're gonna go for that right turn thing. But I don't know. Let's see what happens. It's either the right turn thing or you can go straight into McDonald's. Because you want that Big Mac. That big, greasy American food that people eat for some reason. Or he's going to go make a right turn. I highly doubt you're going to be turning left. That's already not a possibility. I already know that. Yeah, this light takes forever. Come on. Yep. There you go, and we're going to McDonald's. Enjoy your cheeseburgers.
Kind of shared space, right, that we were all in together. That no longer exists. And it doesn't exist in a huge important way. There is no
it's like you forgot you were pulling a trailer.
So, unlike the other things where you kind of have to build up a level of trust with other people in order to get to a certain level of, followership, there doesn't have to be any of that on the other side.
Why are you sitting right underneath the light? You're not going to know when it turns green.
Opinion about something, which could be...
Yeah, you're right underneath the light. You're almost into the crosswalk. You're not going to see the light when it changes, so I don't know what the fuck you're going to do. And you're just going to go? Yeah, you're just going to go, even though it's red. Even though I'm on the correct thing, you're on the... I don't get Maine. Maine is stupid. Everything's stupid.
Than the previous one. Right. So a constant acceleration means your speed is increasing the entire time. The entire time. Okay. So if you
exit, dive, dual turn, fail, or
turn it on one side
whatever.
And have it just you'd save over right.
I mean, this is my first time ever here, and I was able to figure out this intersection. Scarborough. Red light run. Red light run.
Like, they really needed that resupply, but while the
No stop.
were busily building
Tricycle.
boats from a broken...
Red light run.
Sir. And? It's a ship. How are we going to get the ship to the scene?
Exit regret.
Do you? It has end.
Like, I've seen Shawshank Redemption before, but it's like, if I watch it again, I still...
You're a human being. Yeah.
I still feel stuff, yeah.
You have seen Shawshank.
I've
Wait,
seen it, and
what?
then if I watch
Really?
it again, even though I know what's going to happen, we could do something closer to, like, Pussy Rebate.
I think the Pussy attacks are right on target there, because remember how the success of the Pussy monologues?
Oh, the Gyna monologues.
And
Very
there was
good.
also the Pussy riot.
Dive for the right turn lane.
Yeah.
People love Pussy.
Yeah, and I love that you were
Shit, I listen to
Hey, Beverly. Employee of the month right there. Jesus did it.
Dive for the right turn. Another one. Because why not?
Thanksgiving.
Red light run. You can go now. Come on. There's a car there. Nissan driver. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we are in Maine. Yes, this is Maine. We're still in Maine. And they have the exact same law that they have in Massachusetts where that truck is from. There's no trucks allowed in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You get to be in the video because you screwed up. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time. I have no clue what frickin' state I'm going to be in, but I'll be in one of them. Okay, have fun. Bye.